Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. Mailchimp is a powerful platform designed to simplify your email marketing efforts. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools, from building your audience to designing engaging campaigns and analyzing their performance. You can easily connect with your customers and grow your business through effective communication strategies. Building your audience is crucial. Mailchimp allows you to easily import existing contacts or create customizable sign-up forms to capture new subscribers. You can then segment your audience into specific groups, ensuring your messages reach the most relevant people. Organizing subscribers with tags based on their interests or engagement helps you deliver highly personalized content. Crafting engaging emails is simple with Mailchimp's intuitive editor. You can select from a wide array of professional templates or design your own unique layout using the easy drag-and-drop interface. Personalize your messages with merge tags, like a subscriber's first name, to create a more direct and impactful connection. This helps boost your open and click-through rates. Understanding your campaign's performance is key to improvement. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics, allowing you to track crucial metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribes. You can also /B test different elements, like subject lines, to see what resonates best with your audience. These insights empower you to refine your strategy for even greater success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.